So I'm gonna show you guys how to open it up. It takes a little bit of strength, but I'm sure you guys can get it open. Okay, so what you do is there's a little green switch right here. If you take a look at it, one is to open up this cover. So if you push it down, it'll open up this little cover here. Now if you want to open up to get to the motherboard, you gotta push it up, and you have the little you got the little sign right here that it's coming this way. So what you do is you push it up hard, and then you push this lead out. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do it right now. Just bear with me for a second. So what I usually do is I put my finger right here, I push it, and you will hear the little click. You push it hard, and then with one of these fingers, you might want to press. You might want to just push the lead so you can get it off. So let me give it a try and see. There you go. So it'll come out nice and easy. See? And then you'll get to it's a little dusty inside, and then right here we have the as you guys can see, the motherboard. There's the two fences. This particular computer has two small fences. Again, it's a sx270, and here we have the ROM. This video I'm recording it because someone asked me how to remove the RAM out of these computers. On each side, you guys will see that there's like a little plastic, and then what you do is you kind of push this to the sides, and it'll pop out the memory, and you can take it off right here. See, you grab from each side and just take it out. That's one, and normally it has two, and you push this again, and then you pulled it out, and then there you go. That's how you remove the memory out of this sx270 Dell optiplex computers. Okay, and then to get it back on, same thing. Make sure you do it the right way, just as it came out. Just make sure you push, and what you do is you both hands push it down until you hear the little click on each side. Again, you take the other one, you do the same thing, and you push hard, and you will see the little click. 1 and 2, and that's about it. And then put the cord back, and that'll do it. That's the end of the tutorial. Again, Dell Optiplex, the SX270. Alright guys, this is it for now. Thank you. Bye.